Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, because as I say in every video, it really helps my channel. And really, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for doing that, because it really is greatly appreciated. All right, so today's card day. Today I am featuring the Butterflies and Flowers Layering Decorative Masks. I know that's a mouthful, but I am telling you, these are amazing. I think I spent 4 hours the other day just playing with them. And I made other cards, which I didn't bring up here. They all turned out really, really cute. They were really fun to play with, and oh my goodness, I'm sharing this one today. I really love this background, and I'm going to share that one with you today. But I created all 3 of these, and I'm going to show you the masks really quick. I'm going to grab a piece of paper here so that I can show you them easy, because they're dark and it's kind of hard to see. But this is one, and oh my gosh, when I saw this, I thought instantly of the little monkeys I used the other day. I think this would be so cute as a background for those little monkeys that I did. And this is another one here. Let me move these out of the way as I show you. This is the one I used on this card, these 2 cards here. And it's so pretty. I love that one too. Here is the other one. This is the one we're going to use today. Isn't that beautiful? And then these are the ones that layer on each other. This is the butterfly I used to layer this butterfly right here. And then we have flowers. So this one layers in here, and then we have 2 more here, and then these layer on top of each other. And then all the leaves and stuff are so, so pretty. You can do so much with these. If you missed this in the mini catalog like I did the first round, oh my gosh, go back and check them out, because they are so fun and so much you can do with it. I did try some different techniques, which one of them I was going to see if I had it close, but I don't. One of them, what I did was I stamped this for a background, and then I layered the flowers all along the side on top of this, and it turned out really pretty too. I think it's in where I take my pictures. But anyway, it's super pretty. Yeah, there's so many techniques. This one, I used Versamark, which I just pressed the Versamark into the mask, and then I embossed it with clear embossing powder. And you probably can't even see that here, but it's got a lot of shine, a lot of texture. And I did the same with the butterfly. I embossed it with clear embossing. You may be able to catch that. It's so hard to see it in the camera, but it turned out real pretty. And this background, I just used my blending brushes with different colors ink to get that kind of ombre type look. And then this one, I used the same background, used Pool Party. I used the Friendly Hello for the little bird, which is a free choice during celebration. If you get the Friendly Hello stamp set and the designer series paper, if you spend $100, that's a free choice for you. These dies are also so pretty, because look at the background on that circle. It's so pretty. And I'll show you all these in just a minute. So I needed a birthday card, so I did that one. And then this is the one that I'm sharing today. I love this. It says, "You are a real blessing to everyone around you." I just love that. And it's so delicate and feminine to me, but it could be for birthday or for anything. It's just so pretty. All right, so that's what we are using. All right, the stamp sets. So we are using, this is the Friendly Hello. This goes with the designer series paper. I have actually showed you the designer series paper before. I've used it, and this is the one that's free with a $100 purchase along with the designer series paper. This is the beautiful shapes dies. This actually goes with another bundle, but look at these shapes on here, and this is the one I used for Behind the Bird. So I wanted to show that because I love these dies. And then what we're using for the card we're making today is the bundle, the Blessings of Home bundle. If you're new, a bundle is the die set and the stamp set, and you can get them both saving 10% if you get them together. So I'm using this and then the sentiment as well. And then these are the Stitched So Sweetly. This is always a tongue twister for me for some reason. But anyway, I am using the one from here, and I will tell you what the size of it is here in a minute. But those are one of my favorite sets of dies. So those are all the stuff that we're using for this today. So let's go ahead first. I'm going to tell you the sizes of everything. So we are going to use a top fold, which is 4 1/4 by 11. You're going to score it at 5 1/2. Then the piece that we are going to do the masking on is 4 by 5 1/4. And then you need scrap to stamp the flower, and then scrap, this is for the flower, and then scrap to cut this out, which is 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. That's the size of this one. All right, so let's get stamping with this. I colored these flowers with my watercolor pencils and my water brush. So I did that, and it's really, really delicate, but we're gonna do our blends today. So I wanted to show you the difference in what it looks like. So that is what we're doing for that. That's for our masking. And then let's go ahead and stamp with Memento Black our flower here. I did cut this flower smaller. I cut off the longer stem so it would all fit, but you can leave it all on if you want. You do, you have the dies for this. The dies come along with this, so we'll be cutting this out with the dies. And the colors that I'm going to use for this are light and dark Flirty Flamingo, which just fell on the floor for me, and the light and dark Pale Papaya, light and dark Just Jade for the leaves, and then light and dark Highland Heather for the little purple flowers, and then we're going to use the dark Daffodil Delight for the centers of the flowers. So I am going to go ahead and color this. All right, so that is it. I am going to cut this out and cut out our Stitch So Sweetly, and we will be ready to do our masking. And that is the fun, fun, fun part. Look at my new plates, y'all. I finally got them out. So we are using that. I need to grab my die for this. How many of you hate the first round that you put through your new plates? I hate that because look at, now they're not perfect anymore. But look how pretty this is. And then there's our piece that we're going to put our sentiment on. I love them when they're brand new, but it has to do its job. All right, so now we have our flowers. I'm going to just fussy cut around this here so that we get the small. It's super easy, y'all. Nothing to fret about for fussy cutting. I know some of you hate fussy cutting. I really enjoy it. I just can't do it as much as I used to because my hands, I have carpal tunnel, and it's just gotten worse over the years. So let's stamp the sentiment. It's so pretty. I love this sentiment. And I am going to do it a little bit towards the top. Not much, but there is that. And then what we're going to do is our masking. So I'll set that aside. We need to get our piece for masking. I'm going to use a Pool Party my blending brush, and my mask. And I have a suggestion for you. If you have the masking, this is the easiest way. I didn't have any because I haven't used masks in a long time, but there is a spray that you can spray on it, spray in a well-ventilated area. I know that from experience, but you can spray the back of these and it sticks right onto your paper. It really, really helps a lot. I'm going to actually go and get some today because I haven't had any in a long time. It is made for like these masks, stencils. So I do use some tape on the back here. This is like a purple tape, but it's white. It's a drafting tape, so it'll hold it on here. But I just tape it down to my surface here. And you still have to hold, I still have to hold it down as I'm doing it because I want it to stay really flat. But this does hold it temporarily. So I'm going to use my brush and get that ink all on there. And then I'm just going in a circular motion across the surface of this. And I'll just keep repeating it. I love, love revealing it after. That is just the magic of this. It is so pretty. Because as you're doing it, you can't really see how beautiful it really is underneath. And these masks are so easy to use. They're really, really nice. I've had some that were really, really inexpensive and kind of cheap feeling, and these are not like that. So we're masking our card everywhere. I'm going to make sure I have all the areas of my card covered, all the edges. And you can do this as dark, as light as you want. I really like a different variation. I like the interest of having it a little bit different. All right, so that's it. We are going to peel this off. And look at this. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. I'm going to peel this off. This is a really nice, easy release. I actually got this on Amazon, and I think it was called drafting tape. I wanted one a little bit wider than the purple, so that's what I got for it. All right, now we are going to attach it to our base, card base. I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal here for that. Isn't that such a pretty background, though? That's that. We are going to put on our sentiment. You can even add some ribbon under this sentiment. You can add your flower wherever you want. You can add it here, like that. You can add it on the opposite side, like that, where I did this time, which I'm going to do again, but I'm using dimensionals to pop this up. And I mean, you can add a ribbon underneath it, would even dress it up more. If you don't want to pay extra postage, leave the dimensionals off, but actually you can get away with the dimensionals on a lot of the cards. I've done it several times and it goes okay. Long as it is less than 1/4 inch, you're good. So there you have it. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love this. It's so simple and easy to do, yet it looks so classy. All right, here's the other ones. So these are all 3, and they're all so fun, and a couple different techniques there for you. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, that is my January host code. Use my host code when you order. You can shop right from my blog at stampingwithamore.com. I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.